Good morning, Team Puff Cuff. This is Cita coming with a brief tutorial of a hairstyle that I saw Miss Hair today demonstrate. It would be perfect to do with a couple of puff cuffs instead of elastic bands. I've got on my trusty puff cuff t-shirt turban. I detangled in the shower, but didn't do much else. I want to do some bangs with a high puff. Today we're going to use the junior and the micro. So I kind of sectioned off my bangs and I'm going to pull this up in the back. Got my trusty brown Eco Gel. I'm not combing through my hair. I'm just going to gel up the edges, give them a little brush. So I'm going to use the junior to hold up the puff. One arm in, other arm in, overlap the hooks, let your hair go. Now we're going to do my bangs. Gather of hair first, open wide. I'm going to leave this one be a little high. And then that's it, y'all. Just to give them a little extra height, I put the Puff Cuff Micro in. That's it, people. Ready to go to church.